History of Angular and its versions. AngularJS. AngularJS is also called Angular 1. It was introduced in 2010. Angular 1 is the first version of the Angular framework. It was based on JavaScript language. Angular 2. It is completely rewritten the Angular 1. It was introduced in the year of 2016 September. It was based on the TypeScript language. Angular 2 is mobile-oriented. The major drawback is not capable to support the mobile app. Angular 3. Angular 3 was skipped due to the misalignment of the router package version. Angular 4. Angular 4 was introduced in March 2017. Angular 4 is an enhancement of Angular 2. Enhancement features are inbuilt animation packages, ng template, form validation attributes, title case. Angular 5. Angular 5 was introduced in November 2017. Faster compared to the previous version of Angular, and smaller in size. Various features in Angular 5 are HTTP client API, multiple exports and alias, pipes for numbers, data, and currency. Angular 6. Angular 6 was introduced in May 2018. Features came with the release of Angular 6R. Updation of Angular CLI, command line interface. Updation of Angular CDK, component development kit. Angular 7. Angular 7 was introduced in October 2018. It is enhancement of Angular 6. Feature of Angular 7 is CLI promotes. Helps the user makes a decision. It asks user want to add routing, yes or no. About style, user want to use CSS or Sass or less. Application performance. Virtual scrolling. Drag and drop automatic rendering features. Bundle budget. Bundle size is more than 2 megabytes. Warning message provided for above 5 megabytes. Angular 8. Angular 8 was introduced in May 2018. Dynamic imports for root configurations. Customize the Angular CLI commands, like ngbuild, ngtest, ngrun. ngdeploy is added in the Angular CLI 8.3.0. Angular 9. Angular 9 was introduced in February 2020. Angular 9 came up with an Ivy compiler. From version 9, all applications are moved to Ivy compiler, and runtime by default. It provided the following advantages. Smaller bundle size. Faster testing. Better debugging. Improved CSS, class and style binding. Improved type checking. Improved build errors. Improved build times, enabling AOD on by default. Improved internationalization. New options for provided in property is add injectable decorator. In addition to that, previous root and module options, you have 2 additional options. Platform, specifying provided in. Platform makes the service available in a special singleton platform injector that is shared by all applications on the page. Any provides a unique instance in every module, including lazy modules, that injects the token. Angular 10. Angular 10 was introduced in June 2020. Angular 10 is the smallest release, compared to other releases. TSLint has updated version 2.0. TSLib has updated version 6. New default browser configuration. Optional stricter settings. Warnings about common.js imports.